feel the fire when I'm feeling cold. I see your body and I lose control. Every time you smile I wanna let it show. I want you to make my heart beat slow. Your love is like the rhythm in my soul.
Imagine your own hits like that of Davido, your own lyrics, your own voice, your face, or any other person's face, your own animation, even lip sync your own voice, all from your laptop or your phone. Today we are making a Davido-style banger from scratch. Let's kick to this. In this video I will graft soulful Afrofusion inspired lyrics, generate a full song, design a singer's portrait, a singer that will look like Davido, animate that singer, lip sync it with my tracks just to show you. By the end you will have your own mini music video. What do you do now? Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to all your contacts. You might be helping someone. Have you ever inspired to have your own music video? Then watch this video till the end. Remember, some people do this for their channel and that's their content and they are making one. Have you ever inspired to have your own music video? Then watch this video till the end. Remember, some people do this for their channel and that's their content and they are making a hell of money. YouTube are paying them for uploading this kinds of music on their channel, even in TikTok and in Facebook. All right, let's get started. So we have to start from the first step. So step 1 is writing your lyrics. So how do you write your lyrics? Start by asking ChatGPT. All right, go to ChatGPT AI, ask ChatGPT to give you a lyrics prompt like that of Davido from Nigeria. All right, just write this. Write me a catchy, good feeling Afrofusion song about chasing a dream at midnight, or any topic you can think of, or you can still ask ChatGPT to give you an idea. ChatGPT will give you an idea. Okay, then you add it to with a splash of romance. Okay, you will want that kind of Davido vibe. That is what you will tell ChatGPT. Uplifting, okay, dynamic and rich in emotions and melody. These are the things, the key point you need to give to ChatGPT. You know, ChatGPT can generate something very emotional, good, more than songwriters for you, but it depends on you. The prompt you give him depends on the one he will give you back. Okay, so you can give ChatGPT an example if you have any, but if you don't have any example, then there is no problem. Just ask ChatGPT to give you idea. Okay, so ChatGPT will generate your songs for you. ChatGPT will generate the verses, the chorus, any prompt you give him, even the topic of your song. ChatGPT will give you all this. Okay, just tell ChatGPT to give you awesome lyrics. ChatGPT will give you that. So we now go to part 2. We now go to step 2. Step 2 is now generating your music. Okay, that prompt lyrics song that ChatGPT give you, just bring it here to Suno AI. Okay, go to your browser and type Suno AI, sign up and select upbeats. Okay, Afro pop. All right, infusion. Then you now paste that your script that ChatGPT gave you. All right, and click on generate. Suno AI will now generate your song for you. All right, let me play one of Suno AI will generate 2 or 3 songs for you. It now depends on you to make choice. Choose the one that makes you feel like dancing. Okay, if you listen or if you don't like the one generated, you can repeat it again. Okay, then you choose the one that will make you feel like dancing. Once you feel, you click here. Once you are okay with the song, you click here and download the song into your device. Then step 3 is singers portraits. Okay, you generate the singer. All right, so in generating the singer, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. All right, use Leonardo AI to generate the image, or you can also use ChatGPT to generate the image. If you are using ChatGPT Pro, it's going to give you awesome results. Okay, so you tell ChatGPT the kind of image you want to generate. Once you are done generating the portrait image, then you have to animate that image. Animate it. Then for you to animate it, come to Hello AI video generator. It will turn those images into video. Just upload it here, upload the images here and choose generate to image, generate to video. Okay, then once you are done generating your images, no matter how many images you want to use, 3, 4, 5, okay, where is only him, where they are multiple. All right, once you done animating them, all this thing I'm telling you now is for free. Okay, so once you done, the last step is the step 5 is you lip sync that video you generated, meaning you come to, with the lip syncing we are using dream face. Okay, come to your browser and type dream face, or I will leave the link to all the AI I used in generating all this music. The link will be below this video. Just go to the below of this video, okay, and click on dream face AI. When you click on it, okay, you will open it up. Is like this. Okay, then you will go to lip sync. Here is it, the lip sync. Once you click on the lip sync, you can use your own voice to sing the song, or the one you generated, you use AI to generate once you are here, come to lip sync. Once you are on dream face AI, come to lip sync. All right, once you click on the lip sync, you will upload that song that Suno AI generated for you. You upload it here, then you upload the image you have turned to video. That video you upload it here and click on generate. Then Dreamface will lip sync that music into your song, okay, into the image you generated. Voila, your music is ready. The next thing you can do is take it to CapCut or any of your editing app and do small retouching, because you cannot generate all of them at once. You can generate, maybe you created 5 images, 6 images, you generate them bit by bit like that, and voila, your music is ready. Just click on the link below this video and watch the full music. Okay, bye. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and give it a thumbs up. Peace out.